Hi, my name is George Pufidis and I'm the team principal of Sheffield Formula Racing. This is the 12th car that we made as a team. In 2018, our goal changed from finishing endurance to becoming one of the top teams. That year, we finished endurance for the first time and we took the 5th place. And since then, we've come a long way. In 2021, we were crowned UK champions and that feeling was amazing. We want to relive this feeling this year. We know that it's going to be hard and that's why we took risks by trying new things. We developed our first carbon monocoque chassis and with that we developed a lot of knowledge in the team in composites and the lightest chassis that we ever had. I'm so proud of what we have achieved so far. I would like to thank everyone involved in this project, all the team members, the sponsors, our academic supervisor. We wouldn't be able to be here without you. It's game on.
Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Evelyn. The biggest change that we've got this year for the car is that we're changing from a steel space frame chassis to a hybrid monocoque. The rear of the car will still be welded steel tubes, but from the main hoop forwards it'll be made from carbon fibre and aluminium honeycomb. A monocoque provides a lot of mechanical advantages, such as it'll be lighter, it'll have greater rotational stiffness, and it'll actually be safer for the drivers.
Coming with the monocoque is a lot of manufacturing difficulties. So we've got to have a lot more material that we've not used to and access to new facilities that we've not had in the past. So one of the big difficulties this year has been contacting new suppliers, new supporters, new sponsors to get the material and get the facilities that we need to make this new chassis possible. One of the good things this year is our return back to fully in person in the lab. Over the last couple of years, a lot of students have missed out on a lot of the practical skills that come with the team of being in a lab. In fact, only 8 team members have been through an entire car build in the team. However, it's much better to be back in person and we're all learning the skills that are required to build a car ourselves.